Hey, it's Joel, and welcome to day 9 of the Joel and Mitchell vlog series, Summer to Remember. Let's go ahead and go eat some breakfast. Today begins with Sunny D and cream cheese and toast. Right then, so with the day started, today is going to be sort of like a boys and girls day because the same family that arrived yesterday is still here with us and they're going to be here for about the next week. The vast majority of the time that we're going to be here, we are going to be going to a military vehicles museum and seeing what we can find there. So I look forward to getting some footage of some, I guess, military vehicles. I'm not exactly sure what's there. I was just told that we're going to a military vehicles museum today. And hopefully with any luck, there's a gift shop or an anything shop, because knowing me, I love to buy stuff. But anyways, let's hit the road. Right, so we have just arrived at the National Museum of Military Vehicles, and there is a M3 Stewart, there is a Lee, a M41 Bulldog, there's a bunch of different vehicles on display out here. More importantly, I can't wait to see what's inside, especially some of the things that we might be able to buy and especially get inside and interact with. Anyway, let's head in. Item number 14. Yeah, the AK-47, I thought I recognized that. Yeah. Ooh, this is it's a mortar. Look at that. That is cool. A mortar round. Yeah, so the entire point of a mortar is just and fired behind everything. See, there's these old mortars.
Sure is. Whose collection is this? Dan Stark's. Now, are a lot of these? Did they originate from? I don't know. I don't remember the guy's name. But in California, he had a huge collection of World War II.
This is my favorite armored vehicle in the world, undeniably. I love the Chaffee with a passion. Oh, they don't have a description here for it. It's a bit odd. Look at that. I would love to have one of these. Obviously, I wouldn't be able to do anything with it, but my would I love to have one. All of this is like literally a key result of the Industrial Revolution. Like World War I, God, you would have never had stuff like this. Can you imagine listening to this fire? Ooh, it's a howitzer.
Oh my God, it is.
It's an M1 8-inch howitzer. Look at that. That is so cool.
Oh, I actually got to see one in real life.
Look at that. Like, I can't get over the size of the barrel.
There's the 155 millimeter.
I can't get over the size of these. It's either absolutely massive or absurdly long. Yeah. Was it not originally a Japanese vehicle?
This is a movie prop for a
Really?
1980s Australian movie.
Okay.
So it's made of sheet metal and it's totally hollow on the inside.
I can see that.
Well, it's an awfully good representation.
Oh yeah, it looks really good. We've got a real Type 95 being restored right now.
Really?
So in December when that guy's finished, we'll haul this one out and
Put the real one in.
What are you gonna do with this one?
put it out in the Veterans Pavilion.
Okay.
Obviously, this one isn't worth nearly as much or as sought after.
Yep.
Is there any difference between this M24 and the one you have on display next to the M3 and the M5?
Not really. The one big difference is the 50 cal pouch is different.
Oh, right.
But yeah, I think this one has these ears right here, whereas the one in our other gallery doesn't.
Right.
Oh my lord.
I have no idea. No, it's not supposed to look like that.
Looks like it got blown off.
That took a lot of force to pull that thing off, though. Yeah, look, you gotta... Oh, I think you can open this, I think. Oh, you can.
German.
Yes, I finally get a chance. I have touched an M24 Chaffee. Look at that. That's cool. That is so cool.
Yeah.
Please keep off the vehicles. Well, I didn't stand on it, so I am still within my reason. I wonder if I could get a picture.
I think I found another Sherman.
They've got another Chaffee. Oh, so pretty.
Hey, dude, they got a Humvee over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, dude, I found one of those all-purpose vehicles.
Whoa, cool. Does it spin?
Yes,
It
it
does spin. That's cool.
Hey, I found a couple Humvees. I'll check those out.
Yeah, sure. Humvees are relatively newer than a lot of this. Yeah, so pretty. Dodge.
No, there's got a flat.
I love the sound of description for the flat. Ooh,
It's gotta be German.
what's in there? Whoa.
Oh, cool.
Oh, someone stepped in there recently. Kind of recently.
That looks like it. Yeah, what is that?
It's a U.S. Army transport of some sort, I'm guessing. Dude, look at that! The barrel of this thing got shot.
Oh my lord! Oh!
Holy crud. Well, I can see why they stopped using this now.
Yeah, literally.
Be like, fire the gun! The bullet came out of the top. That is crazy.
What?
Sherman keychain. I think that's the M41 Bulldog, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Either that or a patent. I might get one of these hats, not gonna lie. Wow. Ooh, I might want to get a shirt. They really, really like Shermans.
Yeah.
Like everything in here is themed to M4s. Right then, so we've had an absolutely amazing time at the National Museum of Military Vehicles. I've seen Matildas, M24s, M5s, we've seen the M18 Hellcat, some of my favorite vehicles and most sought after in my mind. But either way, we're going to head back to the trailer now. Right then, so we just got back from the National Museum of Military Vehicles not too long ago, and the absolute favorite thing of mine that I ended up getting out of the couple things that I got undeniably has to be this reproduction ammo canister that on one side says the National Museum of Military Vehicles, and then on the other side it has some represented print that actual ammo canisters of this era would have had, and then if I open it up here with the latch, I'm actually using it to store some of the other goodies that I've gotten so far on the trip, and then the shirt that I got says much the same. says National Museum of Military Vehicles again, and then right below a M4 Sherman print actually says Du Bois, Wyoming, which is where the museum is located. And then on the left sleeve, it actually has a United States flag, which I thought was really cool. But anyway, with that being said, there is day 9 of the Joel Homie Show vlog series, Summer to Remember. Now, tomorrow is going to be a just as equally, if not more interesting day, because we're going to be doing some sightseeing, maybe some walking, something along the lines of that tomorrow with the family members that came over. So I think it's going to be a really interesting day, and hey, I'll get to wear my new shirt. But either way, with that being said, I was Joel Homie, and if you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it,